Hey guys, Jolster here. So this video is sponsored by Govee. They're running a special right now for Halloween, so make sure you check out their Facebook account for discounts up to 40% or special giveaways. So if you're looking to decorate your home for Halloween with LED kits, you have some special lighting, maybe your desk, maybe your home theater, Govee is the way to go. They got your back. So check out the website. I'm going to leave the links in the description so you can take advantage of those discounts. Hey guys, how's it going? Jolster here. If you've been following my channel, you'll probably remember that a few months ago, I reviewed these RGB LED lights for my TV. They give you this awesome looking effect with picture or sound. Also comes with a camera to change colors depending on what your TV is displaying, or you can just set a color of your choice and have an ambient light to help reduce eye strain. Well, Minger contacted me again and they sent me a new set of RGB lights, but this time for my desk. You have probably seen them in some of my previous videos, and now I am finally reviewing them. They measure 6 feet long, but they have more sizes available. They come with double-sided tape so you can stick it anywhere you want. Well, in this case, my desk. You can power the strip via USB and it comes with a controller for basic functions, but if you want to use their full potential, you'll want to download their app. Now this is where the fun begins. You can fully customize your LED strip for dimming the lights or brightening them, change to the colors of your choice, or use their presets for ambient effects or sound effects. So these are the different modes that we have here for when you're using the sound. This is rolling, the one that you're seeing right now. So here we go, it just keeps rolling. It just keeps moving with the music depending on what kind of music you have, maybe like it just keeps changing, right? So over here we're gonna go into spectrum. Now spectrum is just, you can see it's like this light keeps growing, and the more sound or more noise there is, it keeps growing more bigger. There you go. And then over here, let's change this one now to rhythm. Rhythm is kind of crazy. Rhythm keeps changing the colors and kind of like blinking a lot, and every time it blinks it's a different color. So yeah, it's kind of cool when you have that as well with the music and the sound. Now let's change this to energetic. Now energetic is pretty crazy too. It just keeps like it kind of looks like a spectrum, but also it's blinking and it's also changing the colors. So yeah, it's kind of like everything, a little bit of everything. It's kind of cool. Now when you want to use some scenes modes, we have static over here. We have 4 different choices. This is the morning and static, so it's kind of like mimicking when the sun is coming up, you know. And then over here we have another one. We have the sunset. Well, you know, when the sun is setting down, it's really cool. It's kind of mimicking the same thing when the sun is coming down. And then over here we have movie mode, which it just turns like white. Everything is white. I guess, you know, have something like that in the background. So one thing I noticed is when you have all these different scenes, you cannot change the colors, so they're already preset. And then we have over here the dating mode. So dating is kind of like a sunset as well. This is kind of cool because it matches right now with the background picture that I have on the monitor. It's kind of cool. So also these are static, so it means that it's just one solid color. We also have some dynamic. Here we have the romantic. So the romantic one, you know, it's just like red right now, and I believe it's gonna turn, yeah, so it's gonna turn into purple. You know, it's kind of like if you are in this romantic scene with your boyfriend, girlfriend, wife, whatever. So we're gonna change this one. Now we're gonna move into blinking. So blinking is more like it's just like a pulse sort of movement the LEDs have, and it turns, I think it looks like it's turning just white and amber. Yeah, something like that. So and then we're gonna move on to another one. This is gonna be the candlelight. So this is one of my favorite ones because it's mimicking like there's some candlelight behind the desk. This is perfect for once again for the background picture that I have here on my monitor. Minger has you covered with LED kits for your TV, PC, desk, or anywhere you can think of. If you go to their website, you can find more information of the products they carry and LED kits they have available. They also have LED bulbs for your home, which you can control with the same app. Hopefully I can review them next time. Minger is going to have a special Halloween event on their Facebook page with giveaways and special deals, so make sure to follow them on Facebook. You'll find all their links in the description of this video, as well as links for Amazon if you're interested in buying any of these LED kits. Thank you so much for your support. I'm Jolster, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Jolster out.